we're gonna go through a nice little safari thing, and well, there's an evil little dog thing right there. Now you're gonna watch me fight with it, see if I can win. Alright, I'll hook you up to this so you can watch. This way he doesn't destroy this stream thing. Yeah. So here is the fight between evil dog thing and me. Oh no, it's eating me. You know that they bring you towards that fight. Oh God.
But extra $5 is worth it. But they gave you bad, but even this bad don't mean nothing. That was speed.
Alright, the fight moves on.
Right. And then so I had to show them the ticket before they do the bad. So now you show them the ticket and what bond did they give you or that stuff? What bond? Even with that. For the last show, every time I went to the last show, I had to show them the ticket.
You see, I'm not fit enough to fight the Shih Tzu / Poodle. Oh God. He